I got my Maybox. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So like I told you before, I am signed up for Boxycharm, so I get a Boxycharm box each month. Let's open it. So like I said, I only pay $27 a month just for the regular box, and then after like a certain amount of months I was able to get the Boxyluxe, which actually comes with like 10 items for about $50. I think it's a good deal because I get some of my skincare stuff from them, and then also I get a lot of my makeup from them. This is their little price tag. So cute, right? So our first is the ELEMES Dynamic Resurfacing Pad. So this is a chemical peel, and it is retailed at $59. And it has tri-enzyme technology combined with amyl lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex. It has a fragrance. I mean, I'm gonna test this and see. I do like chemical peels every once in a while. My skin tough as nails. No, it's not, sweetie. It's not, because I fell asleep with some edge control, and literally I still had like a little breakout in my hairline. I had to tackle that real quick, honey.
Next caller! Next caller!
And it retails at $29. Oh, I just got my nail all up in that eyeshadow. Damn. Emerald? I'm gonna swatch this emerald. That's actually really pretty. And I want to do this gold. Ooh. And then let's do pink. I just did kind of the shiny ones because I just want to see how pigmented they are. I really like that. I'm more of a nude type neutral makeup gal. I do want to try colors though. I'm just be so scared. I'm so scared. Iconic London. It retails for about $26 just for this. That's damn near the price of the box. Y'all crazy if y'all don't get this, okay? We're gonna do a little swatchy swatch, you know the vibes. It's very sheer. It's thick, but it's sheer. Really pretty color though. And focus. It's a really pretty color. I love this lip gloss. No, I had another one that my best friend still has to send me because I left it at her house. I know you're watching, girl. Send me my shit. And that's just on period. And what I like about them is there's no tingle to their gloss. You know how a lot of lip plumping glosses, it'd be tingling and you're just like, I like this a lot. So this is what it looks like. It's basically like the micellar waters that I think you get in the store. I've never tried a micellar water. I do want to try it. I do want to try it as a like makeup remover. So basically you would use this to remove your makeup, then do a pre-cleanse, then cleanse, if that makes sense. So I would suggest this first to remove makeup, then use kind of like an oil, like a coconut oil, to pre-cleanse, then cleanse once and cleanse twice. It has like a top like this, like one of those ones you could just squish with a pad. Oh my god. And just let me know if you guys like this video, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of these types of videos, or you just want to keep it like skincare and beauty, or if you guys really actually like these reviews and stuff like that.